everybody, me again, Shannon, practical paracord. In today's video, I'm going to be slinging in both directions, y'all. I'm going to sling this way and sling that way. Alright, the object of this shot is when you're slinging, you kind of got to get in the groove and then you start hitting your mark. Doing it like this, you can't really get in your groove. And one day I will get this shot on camera where I hit both back to back. But I'm going to attempt it this time, so let's see what happens. Ooh. Oh, dang, almost got it, y'all. So close, y'all, so close. All right, y'all, that reload is so important and so hard to do at the same time. Woo. I got him, y'all. I did it. I did it. Hallelujah. All right. A few tidbits on this one, okay? So, as y'all can tell, I'm not a slinger that keeps a pouch on me, right? You know, it's just too much. I like to be free. You know, I like to be able to move around and be loose. You know what I'm saying? But what I want to tell you, what I learned today, is like when I'm throwing with a bunch of rocks in my hand, let's say I got 3. You know what? Y'all come down here. Y'all come down here. All right, y'all. All right. So, one thing I learned, okay, is if you're throwing and you want to throw again real fast, one thing that's important, your next rock, if you do it in your hands, if you got to reach in a pouch, that got to be even more difficult. But I'll keep it in these 2 fingers. Because with a bunch of rocks, if I got them all loose in different parts of my hand, after I throw, I can't place it in my pouch like I need. So, tip number 1, when you're throwing and you want to throw right after, keep the next rock in the point of your hand to throw. Now, this is something I'm kind of, I kind of been working with, which I kind of like. I mean, it worked kind of fast this time, I put the next rock on the ground. Let me back up so you can see that. Like, okay. I put that on the ground. Let's say I throw a rock. All right. right, let me try that again. All right, let's see, because I'm throwing that way. I'm trying to stay away from the camera. I'm going to throw right over the truck. All right, so I throw. I put my sling on the ground. Once I put it on the ground, then I can put the rock. It don't seem right like that. All right, let's see. It just seems like with the rock and the sling on the ground, I could put it in a pouch better. Okay? Put it on the ground, put the rock in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it feels better if it's on the ground. I could work it on the ground, and then I could do my steps. Because if it's not on the ground, then I gotta find my pouch, find my string. You know, it gets confusing. So, I don't know, let me know in the comments what y'all think about that little strategy. You know, putting the pouch on the ground and put it in. But, yes, I did hit it back and forth, 1 and 1. I know it's close. For a 60-inch sling, you know, it ain't that easy. But, I'm surprised I even hit it today, y'all. Yeah, 2 fingers, rocking the pouch. That's another thing too. If y'all watch, I'm gonna keep most of the shots in. I don't want to keep repeating stuff I didn't do. I might keep them all. Who knows? But what I learned was that when you throw, all right, and you hit it, you're like, oh, everything gets exciting. Now I gotta put it in this pouch. You don't think about setting it in there good. That's why one of my tips on another video was you gotta set it in the pouch good, you know? That's why, like, when you're not in a rush, you focus on getting in there perfect before you start throwing. It kind of slows you down, you know, and it kind of gets the throw that's gonna work. Because the last thing you want is the rock to fly out or the rock to bounce back and forth in the pouch while you're spinning it. But, yeah, cool, we learned something today, y'all. And I recommend doing this, y'all, because when you throw it this side, you're like, okay, how did I did this? I threw the knot at it. Then I turn around, throw the knot at it, and make sure you throw it just right. You know, it's cool. I like it, you know. I seen the video today, it was talking about archery, but it's like the power of doubles. You know, if you slinging at 10 meters, practice at 20. You know, double is hard, so when you come back, it's just as good, you know. I think it works in a bunch of situations, not all of them. You wouldn't practice with a, you know, 120-inch sling if you throw on a 60. You know, you don't want to get crazy with it, especially with sling sizes, because that gets a little wicked. But whatever. Hope y'all like what y'all seen today. If y'all did, like, subscribe, tell a friend, and when you do, turn that notification bell. Bang!
Practical paracord, hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained, you already know what this is. Catch him in Louisiana, now he's showing you rock slinging, shepherd slings, and plenty tutorials. Make sure you subscribe now. All the slinging techniques, paracord and legend. I got all the tips, check these, hey. I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord. Let's go. Only thing on my mind, I got a passion, it ain't no denying. I'm paracording till the sundown, the dopest channel that you gon' find. Yes indeed, packing up with my EDC. I'm so ready for whatever, G. Everybody keep on telling me I need to check out Practical Paracord. Hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained. You already know what this is. Ain't no need for waiting. Really, it ain't no debating. Keep it hype. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe. Hey.